Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get right into it. So here we have Atlas on the 8 hour. Figure we zoom out a little bit for today. Got your 200 up here, negative slope. Okay, so first thing with the moving averages is the 50 is trying to cross the 100, which, yeah. So if these moving averages cross and fan out, that's going to look really good on the 8 hour. So your medium term time frame. RSI is in the bullish control zone, finally. uh, Above the moving average. Our volatility is very high. MACD has an upside curvature, looking pretty good. Um, see here. So it looks like we could have some sort of reversal. We do have this candle right here. Looks like we could come down. Let's zoom in to see where we could potentially come down to. Okay, so RSI is in the bullish control zone. Volatility is very high. MACD still has that upside curvature, but it's kind of curving over a little bit, which would make me anticipate a pullback. We did have a nice run here. All in all, we had 25% from wick to wick basis, all the way from the bottom of here to the top of this wick. At one point, we had 25%. Then it came down, lost 10%. So we had a 15% rally. So yeah, it looks like it is trying to make a pullback. Let's zoom in a little more, see where we can pull back to. Okay, so here we go. Moving averages are fanned out. RSI is in the neutral median zone. We are below the signal line. Volatility starting to head lower, getting in the lower zone. MACD had a fresh cross to the downside as we started having this pullback. Let's go ahead and put a Fibonacci on. By the way, tell me if I should talk slower or if you guys enjoy that I talk fast. Okay, so the 382 would be basically right around the 21. The 618 would be right around the 50. So this would be your light pullback. This would be your deeper pullback. So that's what I am expecting. Another BART, just like kind of like Bitcoin. RSI is in the neutral median zone. Oh, we already covered that. So yeah, I mean, Atlas looks like we are definitely in a pullback mode. I don't think the pullback is over unless Bitcoin rockets off. If Bitcoin rockets off, I feel like we're going to go a lot higher. Let's see the next upside targets. Basically, the next upside target would be at 0.0371. After that, my next target would be this next purple region at 5 cents. There's a lot of hot air in between here. Not a lot of volume was done in here. That was basically just our breakdown points, or our breakdown trend. I mean, we've been trending down for a long, long time. This is the first like sign of hope we've had. Basically since we had a lot of alpha towards the beginning after venture capital sold off. Now we've basically done the full retrace. But now it looks first sign of hope could be coming around. Let's move on to Polis. Okay, so on Polis on the 1 hour, uh, Polis looks good. RSI, the bullish control zone, testing the signal line. Maybe we're getting above it. We're going to stay on the 1 hour for Polis because, okay, so we're trying to get up to the moving average, but we did get this W pattern. So the measured move on that would be about here, which would be middle of the bullish control zone, which would look very good. We need to get back above this high, though. We don't want to make a lower high here, or that's kind of going to invalidate, our short-term upside. We need to get back above basically 183 in order to continue this rally. Downside targets, if we do break this last low at 180 and start falling through these moving averages, next target is going to be the 200. Actually, the next target is going to be the point of control at 173. between 173 and 172 region. After that would be 170. If we break 170, I think we come all the way back down here to 158. And then if we break 154, I think we come all the way back down to 139. So Polis looks pretty good. Atlas looks like it's having a pullback. Polis looks like it's got more in it. So we'll find out. So if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.